Okay, I just got done cleaning the inside of this guy. I took him completely apart almost. I cleaned the gears with alcohol and a Q-tip. He was pretty dirty. Took his beak apart, cleaned it, took the eyelids off, cleaned them, and cleaned the eyes as well. Everything you see on here has been cleaned with alcohol, basically. Then I took and got some new oil, and I put it on the gears with a paintbrush. And his faceplate is currently sitting in the ultraviolet light right now, de-yellowing. So this is how quiet he is. His motor was really gross too. It had a ton of burnt grease inside of it. So let me show you the face now. Okay, here he is in his little box. I have the ultraviolet light shining directly on the yellow faceplate. It's been sitting for a while now, and it's getting less yellow already. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and after that I will wash him, and he will be done. I can't find his pit sensor. There we go. Can't clap my hands because I'm filming with this other one. But do not slap your Furbies. not worry, people. I do not do this normally. This is just because I'm using one hand to film. Thank you for watching.